The Honorable President, our lecturer, Mr. Dr. Kaharuddin, S.IP. M.Hum, as a lecturer on phonetics and phonology course, and all of you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everyone, whenever you watch this video. Well, today I'm Ismail Mubarak from English Education Department, Tarbiyah and Science Faculty at Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar. Well, today I would like to explain about vowel sounds in English, especially in American English and British English. Williamson 2015 categorized English vowel sounds into two categories, either a simple vowel, which is also known as a pure vowel, or monophthongs, and a complex vowel, which is also known as diphthongs. Simple vowel is made when a speaker produces a single vowel configuration without moving the tongue, the lips, and the mouth. In other words, the speech organs are in relatively unchanging positions. For example, E in the word eat, ink, sink, eel. E in the word sit, east, eagle. A in the word get, sat, rat, bell. A in the word cat, rat, bot, mat. A in the word arm, ask, calm, car. A in the word cup, shut, cut. In the word about, ago, along. In the word pearl, earn, girl. In the word cook, book, look. In the word spoon, food, full. In the word pot, lot, lock. In the word call, all, brought. In the other hand, a complex vowel sound is formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable, in which the sound begins or starts as one vowel and changes to another vowel sound in the same syllable. For example, in the word here, cheer, dear. A in the word chair, there, air. O in the word toe, shore, pour. A in the word pray, say, day. I in the word fight, I, pie. I in the word voice, boy, oil. O in the word slow, go, so. Ow in the word out, found, and count. Having known the two categories of English vowel sounds, the following sections will describe both categories of vowel sounds made by taking into account the tongue evolution, either as front, central, and back, The Vowels prediction will be discussing the types of vowel sounds in the American English and British English. Well, the first is front vowels of American English and British English. Front vowels of American English and British English are articulated by using the front part of the tongue rise in the direction of the heart plate and are made with rounded lips. There are four types of front vowels as high front rounded vowels. Example E in the word read. Mid high front rounded. Example like give, give. And mid low front and rounded, like in the word have. The next is central vowels in American English and British English. Central vowels made by positioning the tongue halfway between front and back vowels, produced by putting the tongue down and back. Central vowels in American English as mid-central unrounded neutral vowels, like in the word about, taken, and low central unrounded vowel, like in the word gone, caught. Central vowels in British English type of this vowel sound, namely mid-central rounded vowel, like in the word far, burned, heart, burn, heart. The next is back vowels. Back vowels made with the back of the tongue, which is rise in the direction of the soft plate or velum. Williamson 2015 introduced 5 types of back vowels that exist in both American English and British English. 4 of the back vowels are rounded lips adjacent with unrounded lips, different from front vowels, which are all made with unrounded lips. Furthermore, 2 of the back vowels are articulated by elevating the tongue in the position. What is this elevated in mid positions, and 2 are high elevated in low positions. The sounds are the first high back rounded vowel. We can see it in the word foot, root, and mood. The next mid high back rounded vowel, for example in the word good, look, book. The next mid back rounded vowel, we can see that in the word how and mal. The next is low back rounded vowels, for example in the word palm. And the last is low back rounded vowel, example in the word spot and want. The next is the overall vowel sounds in English. The vowel sounds are presented based on the vowel sounds place of articulation, as the tongue elevation, the tongue positions, and manner of articulation, as the duration of vocalizations. Well, and the next is complex vowel sounds, or we can say as diphthongs. Complex vowel sounds are articulated with a change from the initial configuration of the vowel sounds during its prediction to the final one, such as vowel sounds that announce as complex vowels in the word toy. Well, there are some formation of diphthongs, so I will explain about it. The first is the formation of E diphthongs in American English and British English? Well, the first is the combination of simple vowel which is also transcribed as and simple vowel e, has resulted in the formation of diphthongs a. These diphthongs can be found in the words like late, make, and raise, and etc. And the second is the combination of simple vowel a, which is also transcribed as a and simple vowel, has resulted in the formation of diphthongs a. These diphthongs can be found in the words like eyes, find, smile, and etc. And the third is the combination of simple vowel a and simple vowel e has resulted in the formation diphthongs a. This diphthong can be found in the word like oil, voice, noise, and etc. Well, the next is the formation of u diphthongs in American English and also British English. The first is the combination between the first simple vowel a and the second simple vowel o has resulted in the formation diphthong a, as in general found in the words like about, house, mouse, and etc. And the next is the combination between the first simple vowel o in the second simple vowel o has resulted in the formation of diphthongs u, as in generally found in the words like note, opened, old, and etc. Well, the third is the formation of English diphthongs in British English. The first, the merger between the first simple vowel e and the second simple vowel has formed diphthongs ear, as it generally found in the words like near, beard, here, and etc. And the next is the merger between the first simple vowel e, could be written as z, and the second simple vowel a has formed diphthong a, as it generally found in the words like square, rarely, swear, rarely, aware, and etc. And the last is the merger between the first simple vowel u and the second simple vowel a has formed diphthongs u, as it generally found in the word like cure, sure, pure, and etc. Well, next we move to the vowel letters and their sounds. Letter in English, both consonant and vowel letters don't fully represent their sounds when they are articulated. For the reason, this section shows the distinctions between vowel letters and their sounds which commonly occurs not only in British English but also sometimes and also in American English. So, for example, vowel letters e, e, a, e, I, look at this, represent sound e, such as in the word be, see, meal, field, receive, later. Well, and the last is about phonetic exercise for articulating English vowel sounds. There are two methods that can help us to produce English vowel sounds, as the first from sound to vowel letters, where requires the learners to learn how to make vowel sounds by recognizing vowel sounds and their typical spelling variants. And the second is from vowel letters to vowel sounds, where requires the learners to recognize vowel letters and vowel letters combination which represent particular vowel sounds. Well, that's all my explanation about American English and British English vowel sounds predictions. I'm so sorry for all my mistake, and thank you very much for watching this video till the end, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.